don't cuss me out. One of my friends asked me to do this comparison a while ago. My bad. I'm doing it now. Also, Louis Vuitton has did some upgrades to these classics. But are they really upgrades? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button and we're friends. And I promise, friend, I'm not gonna take months to do request videos again. I don't know what happened. I saw it and then I had put it in my phone to remind me, and it got lost in the sauce. It got lost in the notes, and I saw it, and I was like, oh, snap. This was a month ago. I apologize. I apologize, friend. Okay? But also, it's kind of right on time. You like, girl, stop making excuses. Listen. When something falls in your lap, take it. No, just listen. So Louis Vuitton is coming up with some, would you call them upgrade or would you call them changes? I'm gonna let you be the judge of that. Cause since I already got the bag, it don't matter to me. Yeah. I'm just telling the truth. I'm just telling the truth, friend. I already got the bag. So what I'm gonna do with the information? But I'm bringing you the information. Let me know in the comments. Do you consider this an upgrade to the bag, or do you consider it a change, or would you rather them had left them alone since they're classics? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna compare three bags. Now, in my mind, okay. In my mind, what you think you was gonna get away with that? You think I was gonna let that slip by? It wasn't. Okay. Now, these are the bags to naturally compare. This is the, am I gonna say it right? Probably not. Listen, NeoNoe. NeoNoe. Yep, NeoNoe. And this is the Noe BB. Okay. This is, now I don't even know if this is the truth. I don't even know if this is the truth. But in my mind, this is the truth. This is the upgraded version of the classic Noe. Okay? I prefer the BB size. This also comes in an MM size. That could be a whole lie. I think it is an MM size though. Yes, it is an MM size. That's not a lie. But this is the BB size. This is the Noe size. I prefer this size. This is one of my favorite bags. Y'all like, girl, I know. Please don't tell me again. My bad. But listen, also, you probably already know, this is not the original Strat. But I do prefer this one better. It's cheaper. If I ruin this with my greasy, non-moisturized hands, this is easier to replace. But we're going to compare these two. Obviously, because this is the classic Noe, this is the NeoNoe, this is born from this one. I don't even know if that's the truth, if Louis Vuitton said that, but I mean, that makes sense in my mind, okay? And that's really all that. No, it's not. No, it's not. I know they team, I know they PR list, but listen, okay? It makes sense to me, so I figure it makes sense to somebody else, okay? Now, what my friend did ask me to compare, okay, is the Noe, that's not what this is, the NeoNoe to the Alma BB. Now, I'm going to just keep it real over here, okay? I don't like her. I love her, but I don't like her. Okay? Y'all know how that is. You love a family member because they family, okay? But you don't like them. Okay, and the minute they say something froggy, you ready to jump, but you also got their back at the same time if somebody outside the family say something. That's how I feel about them. Her right here. Okay, I don't like her because I like, why is she shaped this way? What am I supposed to fit in her that's reasonable? Okay, Like why? Like why? But for why is she shaped like this? My phone, my lip gloss, maybe a pack of Kleenex to travel size, okay? My hopes, my dreams, and maybe a little granola bar. That's it. Okay? This is only for when I want to be cute. Okay? This is not practical. However, she is a classic. You are not a Louis Vuitton fan if you don't have this. I know I'm about to get cussed out. I'm sorry, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. You know she is not a practical bag. But if you a Louis Vuitton lover, you have to have her and you can't sell her. She has to be in your collection. Okay? Does it make sense? Is it smart? No. But as a handbag lover, if you know, you know. What you want me to do? Okay, so we're going to compare her to her. We're gonna do a what? We're gonna add some. We're not doing because I already believe I already did what fits and what these bags individually when I unboxed them or did a what's in my bag or something like that. But we gonna add some clips. We gonna listen. We gonna make this video helpful, okay? But we ain't gonna waste nobody's time, mine's included, because I'm hungry. Okay, so let's start with her and her, okay? We're gonna give some respect on the classic, okay? So like I said, this is a Neo, no it's not. This is a Noe, this is in the BB size. Now this does come in, again, the BB size, it does come in the MM size and a GM size, okay? It does come with a vachetta strap that you loop around. Oh, it's in here. Because usually, child, my straps don't be in here. And they be all over the place, okay? Now, I don't like this. I ain't gonna lie. I don't like this strap. I don't like this strap because it's too much work, okay? So you have to loop it around here, okay? Then you gotta buckle it. And then you got buckle it on this side. Like, who doing it? But it is cowhide lining. And then there's one big hole. I keep my organizer in here. Okay. But it's just one big hole. Okay. And most people's complaint, dislike, beef with this bag is that the bottom have no feet, and as you can see, it's just vachetta at the bottom. So if you put it down on a surface and the surface is nasty, sticky, disgusting, boom, your whole bottom is ruined. I mean, I guess what can you do? You can't really protect the bottom. But it's one of the things when you brought the bag, you know, because it kind of came this way. I don't know. That's why most people stay away from this bag. Are they going to upgrade this in the future? Probably not, because it's a classic. However, let's get to the NeoNoe. Now, the NeoNoe, let me get the real strap. Cause I'm like, girl, you tell me this in every video and never show me the strap. Child, you know I'm not professional. Okay? Here, no, that's not it. Is that it? No, that's not it either. I might have lost the strap to be, oh, here it go. I was about to say, I might have lost the strap while you playing. Alright, I'ma do the right thing, do the right thing. That's not a song. I was about to make up that song. That's not even a song. I was about to make it up. I really was. Okay. So, like I said, this is a strap that I got off of Amazon. Because when I wear this, which is not very often. Because it's Damier Ebene. And I have to be a responsible, what I say? Not Damier Ebene. It's Damier Azur. So, anytime I wear Azur, I have to be a responsible adult, and who's trying to do that very often? Okay. And worry about color transfer. But when I do wear this bag, I like to put that on there as well. But here you go. This is the strap that actually comes with this bag. Okay. Okay. I know that got to be annoying. Where did I get that from? I say it very often. And I know it got to be annoying because every time I say, okay, my husband look at me like he just looking for a place in the backyard to put me.
Next thing you know, ding dong, it's the cops.
Alright. And then it also comes, do it come with a crossbody strap? Did I lie? I'm sure it do. I don't even know. Hold on, because I carry it one way and I get stuck in my ways. So I'll be, no, yes, no, here go. Here go. Y'all, you know how you like, because I'm telling you, this is one of my favorite everyday bags, you know, but I'm trying to get a little cute with everything. But you know how you get stuck in your ways and you forget how stuff originally comes and you just wear it how you typically wear it. So this is the stuff it originally comes with, and now I know why. I remember why I don't like this strap. It's too complicated. I usually wear this strap, this bag with my pochette Matisse strap. See, because it's one of those buckle Louis Vuitton adjustable straps. And anybody got time for that? See, like, I'm like, where's Waldo? Where's the damn... see, they got me cussing and everything. Where's the snap? I ain't got time for this. And how you supposed to make it small? See? The way my patience is set up, this is why. But this is how the bag come. This is why I wear my pochette Matisse strap. But this is it, okay? So it does come with this handle, this Vachetta strap, okay? Drawstring closure, okay? Then it has this pretty burgundy lining. Again, all of my bags have lining, organizers, not for organization, more so for like spillage and everything, dirt and everything. Because again, I'm only a responsible adult on Easter Sundays, okay? And then this divider. Now, this divider in the middle, I hardly ever use. Sometimes I'll slip a card holder in there, but more than likely I don't use it. But look how pretty that is, okay? Compared to the very big, you like, girl, I cannot see that. My babe, listen. You see that? See, like, this is just one big pit hole. This is a divided pit hole, okay? So a little tad bit of an organization, no organization, okay? A pit hole, a divided pit hole, okay? This drawstring is a little bit all over the place because as you can see, when you gather that at the top, you see how you gotta kind of, you know what I'm saying? You gotta kind of fix it, get a little neat, and it still have that gape at the top. When you gather this drawstring, it's a little neater and it's a little less gappier, okay? So, and it just has, in my opinion, now this last one is just my opinion, it just has a better shape to it once it's cinched in. You know what I mean? So I'm more partial to this one, okay? Be like, girl, obviously. All right. Next is the Alma BB. Okay. Now compared to the NeoNoe, they're basically the same size, okay? The Alma BB is a little longer, okay? But they're basically the same size. Because the NeoNoe is a little taller, but I mean, what we putting up here? What we stacking? We're not really stacking. So I would say basically they're the same bag as far as size. Now this is where I would say this is a little bigger. It's because of the shape. You're going to get things to about right here. Hold on, let me show you. To about right here where the NeoNoe starts to cinch. With the Alma BB, to about right here where the chaps start to come up is where you're going to fit stuff in the Alma BB, okay, because of the shape of the bag. Okay, I stand on it 10 toes. Okay, now the Alma comes with this very thin, okay, I'm gonna try not to be biased because y'all see the adjectives I'm using. This very thin strap, but it does come with this strap. Now when I use this Alma BB, what I would do, I either hand carry it like this or tote it, or I will use my strap from my Damier Ebin Speedy 30. But it does come with this strap, and then it comes with the key clay, this beautiful, hold on, again I'm gonna insert, hold on, boop, boop. Okay, beautiful red interior, okay, with a side little card holder pocket that I don't use. I don't think nobody ever used, with feet at the bottom. Okay, and again, y'all should be seeing pictures of the upgrades or changes that Louis Vuitton are doing with these bags. But I don't know, I think classics should remain classics, with the exception, okay, yes, with the exception of the Speedies, with the opening of the closures, because getting in and out of a Speedy, listen, ain't nobody, people tired of scratching their hands, okay? Look like somebody bit my hand every time I want to grab my wallet, okay? But here we go. So they fit about the same amount of things, but you could fit a tad bit more just because of the height on the NeoNoe versus the Alma BB, because of the shape of this bag. This is a little bit more, not a little bit, it's a lot of bit more elegant, also because of the shape of the bag, and because Damier Ebin Canvas is a little classier looking than Monogram, of course, in my humble opinion. I mean, that's not a fake. It's not a fake. It's not, don't be cussing me out with a comments. That's not a fake. In my humblest opinion, okay, that I happen to be right with. This is a little bit more classier. However, this is a little bit more practical, but they're pretty much the same size. You can get a tad, teeny bit more in this one, as you should see in the what fits portion in the cutaways. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my comparison with the NeoNoe, the classic Noe BB, and then of course the Alma BB. If you have any other requests, as long as it's in my collection, of course I will do it. And don't cuss me, I'm sorry, it won't take that long. I don't know what happened. I swear to what, I had it in my notes. I don't know what happened. I don't know. But listen, don't judge me, I'm sorry. Please accept my humblest apologies, okay? But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me, and then keep up with me. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, join my Facebook group. I'm gonna keep asking, I'm gonna keep begging, because I ain't too proud to beg. No, I ain't too proud. Y'all think y'all was gonna get out of here without a cameo, without a little interlude? Go ahead, join my Facebook group. Everything is at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, boo!